Okay, I am just taking a look on what I have attached here, which is an immigration detainer. Okay, it does indicate that the respondent has been detained. Obviously, that's a no bond hold. Is there anything else? I don't think there's anything else to address on that, right, guys?
No.
I didn't think so. Okay, all right, so I'll turn it off on that. All right, next is Ronald Ross on page 19.
He's at the podium, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Good morning, Mr. Ross. We are here with you, sir, pursuant to allegations stemming from June 25th of 2026. There are 4 charges or 4 counts, sir. Here, count 1, grand theft auto. Count 2, fleeing and eluding a Leo or law enforcement officer. Count 3, driving with suspended license or revoked. And count 4, which is not it's a traffic infraction, but an improper turn. All right. Oh. Okay, having reviewed the probable cause affidavit, I do find probable cause for each of those criminal counts. What is the state recommending?
They recommend 2,500 on count 1, 2,000 on count 2, and 500 on count 3. Your Honor,
Yes.
if the court could consider that my client is a lifelong resident of Florida. He's a cook. He just acquired a job for which he's been gainfully employed for 6 months. Most he could afford is $500, has limited priors, is ready and willing to meet these charges. And if he could have a reduced bond set with an open schedule GPS monitor, so that he can get back to work.
I will look to the state response.
Well, I don't know what reduction you want. Give me a reduction number. If we can get 1,500 on count 1, 1,000 on count 2, and keep 500 on count 3. I'll do 2,000 on 1, 1,000 on 2, and 500 on 3 with the GPS monitor.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. All right. All right. So then the court will put a $2,000 bond on count 1, a $1,000 bond on count 2, a $500 bond on count 3, and then of course upon the defendant's release, he will be on GPS electronic monitoring. Do we need to specify what level? Isn't there a level? What's the difference?
Open schedule, level 2 and level 1.
Open schedule is fine.
Okay. All right. So that'll be open schedule.
And you said the bonds was count 1,
2,000, 1,000, and 500.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Any stipulations?
Any additional stipulations you said?
Yes.
Unless the state tells me otherwise, I don't know if there's any relationship between the parties. So. All right, on to page 20. We have Aiden Williams Jacobs.
Present, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, Mr. Jacobs. So we are here today on your matter stemming from an incident from June 24th, 2026, where you, sir, have been charged with 3 counts. Burglary, occupied dwelling unarmed. Count 2 is criminal mischief over $1,000. Count 3, resisting an officer or obstructing without violence. One moment.
They in order have all the things then.
All right, I do find probable cause for each of these counts. What is the state recommending at this time?
They recommends 5,000 on count 1 and 2, 1,000 on count 3, and then pretrial release with the GPS open schedule.
Your Honor, if if the court could consider that Mr. Jacobs is a lifelong resident of Florida, he has extensive and significant economic ties to the state. His family owns and runs a business where he works. If the bond could be reduced given his limited criminal history, we're requesting if you could consider 2,500 for counts 1 and 2 and leaving count 3 in place.
And what is your response, if anything, to the state's request for GPS monitoring upon release?
If it could be open schedule, that would be.
That's what they
okay.
asked for. That's what they asked for.
Okay.
All right, any prior state?
No, but so this is code of conduct.
Yes.
Apparently, this particular individual is a suspected gang member, Your Honor, and I have a photo showing what was recovered in that house, and that's weapons, narcotics, money. I can show Your Honor if you like.
All right, just make sure, please, that council sees it first. I'll take a look at it.
Your Honor.
Yes. And is the defendant alleged to have resided in this home?
Not
What
sure
is
if he
the home?
resided, but it might be operated by gang.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Oh, the last guy.
On
So
18, yeah,
Thank you.
18, the car picker, he needed a property.
Sylvester.
And I'm sorry, what are the priors?
Danny.
He doesn't have any prior.
Oh,
Your Honor. No.
What were the priors on Mr. Tillman, the co-defendant?
He was very simple.
5,000, 1,000, 1,000.
And what were his priors?
Second one.
Thank you. Do I hand these?
Yeah, nothing.
No priors? I'll hand it back to these to whoever gave them to me. Okay. No priors also on Mr. Tillman.
That's correct. Your Honor.
Okay.
The difference between those two.
That's
Your
what I
Honor,
want to know. Yep.
is that this Jacobs, apparently from the detectives working this case, they suspect this individual to actually be a member of this gang or whatever. So they want to at least be able to track his movements.
Okay. Okay. All right. Well, that's what I was going to ask, was the distinction between the two individuals. Okay. All right. So let's see. The request was. All right, so here's what I'll do. I have already found PC on all 3 counts. On count 1, I'm going to leave that at 5,000. On count 2, I'm going to put that at 2,500. On count 3, we're going to do that at 1,000. And then upon the defendant's release, he will be on pretrial release with the GPS monitor open schedule. There is to be no contact with co-defendant Corey Rondale Tillman, and no return to the 2 properties at issue. Which again are 64
432 Southwest 24th Street.
Right, 6432 Southwest 24th and 6413 Southwest 25th Street. There's two locations, okay?